Did you know you can actually help preserve your local ecosystem? How? By installing California native plants in your home. In this video, you'll meet one of our favorite California natives called ACHILLEA millefolium Sonoma Coast, otherwise known as Sonoma Coast Yarrow. You'll learn how large this excellent ground cover gets, where to place him, and what maintenance to expect moving forward after putting him in your home. Stick around until the end of the video and I will give you 3 companion plants to install alongside Sonoma Coast Yarrow. Hi everybody, my name is Oscar Giron. I'm a landscape engineer with Caliscapes OC Landscaping. We have designed and installed over 367 homes here in Orange County, California. Let's get started. ACHILLEA millefolium Sonoma Coast gets to about 24 inches wide by about 12 inches tall. You will want to place them in an area that receives at least 4+ hours of sun. Ideally in an area that receives 6 to 7 hours of sunlight, direct sunlight. Maintenance wise, you will want to cut him back in January, February, all the way to the ground. Why? Because that way you'll keep a nice, tight, compact plant that looks good year round. Why do we love this plant? For 2 reasons. Number 1, look at this beautiful, fluffy, textured leaf. If you ever see it in the nursery, just feel the leaf. Look, see how much fun that is? It's an excellent plant also to get your kids stimulated and engaged with gardening. Number 2, the flower show. Look at this gorgeous white flower bloom that this plant produces. It attracts all types of native insects like butterflies, bees, hummingbirds. All types of insects are attracted to this guy, and they're local insects that help preserve the local ecosystem around your home. Best of all, he can fit in any type of landscape, whether you're doing a modern landscape, a Mediterranean landscape, even a xeriscape with succulents and cacti, because this guy is very low water. Another added benefit of Sonoma Coast Yarrow is you can actually replace whole lawns with it. In nature, you actually find him growing in meadows, large, beautiful meadows where in spring, after the rains, it's just full of these beautiful white flowers. Before we move on to the companion plants, if you've already gotten value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below what questions you have about Sonoma Coast Yarrow. Now your reward for sticking around, 3 companion plants to stick alongside Sonoma Coast Yarrow. Number 1, blue podocarpus. Plant yarrow at the base of this guy for an excellent blue and green contrast. Number 2, pink iceberg rose. Those pink flowers will shine with the white flowers of your Sonoma Coast Yarrow. Number 3, lavender. The gray silver leaves of lavender will contrast nicely and complement the lush green leaves of Sonoma Coast Yarrow. There you go. Quick recap. Number 1. Today you met Sonoma Coast Yarrow, an excellent ground cover that gets about 24 inches wide by about 12 inches tall. His fluffy texture green leaves make an excellent choice for any type of landscape, whether it's a Mediterranean, low water, or xeriscape. He blooms this gorgeous white flower all summer long, and best of all is a California native, which will help preserve the ecosystem around your home. Number 2, plant him in an area that receives at least 4+ hours of sunlight. For best conditions, 6+ hours of sunlight. Maintenance wise, you can expect to cut them back once a year in January or February all the way down to the ground. I did forget to mention you will want to fertilize them once a month, March through October, or do as we do and install these agriform tablets alongside the plant once you put him in the ground. These fertilizer tablets will keep him fertilized for 1 whole year, which will significantly cut back on your maintenance time. If you got value out of this video, please like and subscribe. Let me know all the questions you have about Sonoma Coast Yarrow down in the comments below. Hit that notification bell because we will release at least 5 plants a week for you to consider in your landscape. Thanks everybody and see you next time.